मोर्जेच्या शापोरा न्हंयदेगेर आशिल्ल्या कॅरीक ब्रँडाचे इमारती डेमोल्युशन करपाचे म्हणून दिल्ल्या अर्दीक आड रिव्ह्यू पिटिशना खातीर बुधवारा सुनावणी जाली. नॅचरल जस्टीस मेळोंक ना अशें कॅरीक ब्रँडाचें म्हणणें.
तर आयज हियरिंग जालें परत जे शेड्यूल आसलें आयज आनी बरे 2 वरां 2.5 वरां चले. कितें आर्ग्युमेंट्स आसले, कितें केस आसले?
Carrick Bend had filed a writ petition in the High Court as the GCZMA had not decided its review application, which was filed way back on 19 November 2025. It was the apprehension of Carrick Bend that if the review is not decided, in the meantime, the Deputy Collector may give effect to the demolition order of 7th October 2025.
Okay.
The review was filed stating that this order of 7th October 2025, which is a demolition order, should be recalled as it was passed in gross violation of principles of natural justice, fair play and equity.
Okay.
Since GCZMA was adjourning the matter and the matter was now fixed on 8 January 2026 and review was still pending, Carrick Bend moved the High Court and the Honorable High Court directed the GCZMA to decide the review which was pending before it on or before 26 December 2025
Okay.
and also fix the matter for hearing on 24th at 3 o'clock today, and that is how the hearing was held. The
Okay.
Honorable High Court has also held that for some practical reason, if it is not possible for the GCZMA to decide the review by 26th December 2025, then it should consider Carrick Bend's application for interim relief.
Okay.
That has also been kept open. So today we pointed out to the GCZMA that the traditional fishermen had filed a complaint as early as 3rd February 2023,
Okay.
on the basis of which a show cause notice was issued on 14 June 2023. Post that, Carrick Bend appeared. Carrick Bend completed the entire demolition of structures which were constructed then, which was jointly inspected by the GCZMA, and GCZMA cleared Carrick Bend saying that you have complied with the demolition, no structures exist. Thereafter, Carrick Bend took a permission on 15 January 2024
Okay.
and erected structures in terms of this permission, which is still there, which is granted by the GCZMA itself.
Okay.
After noting that all the structures were finished, Carrick Bend was in fact discharged by the GCZMA on 4th January 2024.
Okay.
So the show cause notice which was issued to Carrick Bend on 14th June 2023 was discharged against Carrick Bend on 4th January 2024. After that, Carrick Bend has not appeared before the GCZMA.
Okay.
It so happens that after more than 1.5 years, in July 2025, the complainant orally tells GCZMA that Carrick Bend has again started construction. By that time, Carrick Bend already had a permission of 15 January 2024. But be that as it may, no notice was given to Carrick Bend about this complaint. Copy of any complaint was not served on Carrick Bend. Apparently, an inspection was carried out on 14 June 2024 after Carrick Bend was discharged, and certain prima facie illegalities were recorded by the GCZMA in its inspection report. Now, it is Carrick Bend's case that this notice was issued in Porvorim in 2024, and by 2022 they had changed their address to Morjim, and this is placed before the GCZMA today by placing on record Form 15, which is required to be filed under the LLP Act and rules when there is a change of address of the LLP, which happened in October 2022. That is why it was contended that even this notice of inspection was not received by Carrick Bend LLP.
Okay.
But further argument was that even if this notice was issued and it can be taken that it was received by LLP, even then the inspection report was never furnished to Carrick Bend LLP.
Okay.
After that, there was no show cause notice issued to Carrick Bend LLP. No notice of hearing was issued, and thereafter there has not been any hearing, and straight away an order of demolition was passed on 7th October 2025.
Okay.
That is why, by relying on judgments of our High Court as well as the Honorable Supreme Court, it was contended that the GCZMA has powers of procedural review, and this is a fit case where procedural review powers should be exercised, the order of demolition should be recalled, and a fresh hearing should be heard, and a fresh hearing should be taken up. So accordingly, this is what was argued. complainants argued that the change of address should have been informed by the LLP. The LLP said maybe even if it is a mistake, but factually if it is not served, it is not served. And in any case, no show cause was given, no reply was filed, no date of hearing was fixed, and directly the order of demolition has been passed.
Okay.
Now the GCZMA has again fixed the matter on 26 December 2025 for further hearing.
प्रतिवादी म्हणतात सगळे बेकायदेशीर अजून चलता.
आमचो क्लेम आसलो की जेन्ना तांकां परमिशन्स दिली जानेवारीन CRZान, तर ती परमिशनान तांकां थंयसर पॉयंट्स घातलेले आहा, कंडिशन्स घातलेले आहा की जे कितें वायलेशन्स करतले जाल्यार ते तुमची त्या दिसा तुमची NOC रिवोक जातली. जेन्ना तेंचें कन्स्ट्रक्शन चालू आसलें तेन्ना नजरेन येयलें की थंयसर कन्स्ट्रक्शन कॉन्क्रीट कन्स्ट्रक्शन चालू आहा, स्विमींग पूल बांदलेलो आसा. तर हेचो जेन्ना इन्स्पेक्शन केलें CRZ ऑथॉरिटीन ऑन सायड वचून जे एक्सपर्ट मेंबर आहा तेन्ना तेंच्या रिपोर्टरांनी अरावंड 8 स्ट्रक्चर्स आहात ते तेंचे इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणून दिले. तेंचो बेस सगळो कॉन्क्रीट. तेंच्यांनी डिसेंबरान इनॉग्रेशन केलें, त्याच्या मागीर पार्टी वाजयली. इवन आयज सुद्दां आयच्या तारखेन आयज 24 डिसेंबर आहा जाल्यार आयज तेंची सांजची पार्टी आहा तेंच्यांनी होस्ट केल्लेली आहा. सो 26 तारखेक 11 सुमार परत हेची हियरिंग जातली, डिसायड जातले की एक्झॅक्टली कितें जावपाचें आहा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.